So anyways, this is the pipe I salvaged off the side of the road. Cut it with my power inverter and my 4.5-inch angle grinder. Anyways, it's gonna be the engine of my rocket stove, and I just had to put a little bit of wood pellets in it just to see what it's doing. I wish this video would do it justice. I mean, those flames are going completely sideways. It's making a really cool sound. It's doing all the stuff that the people on YouTube that I've watched that have built these things, it's doing all the stuff that they said it would do. And I mean, I haven't put any work into it except for cutting a pipe. Look, the fitting on the top's completely broke. This is it, man. I mean, there's no smoke coming out of that at all. Look at that. I mean, even when I first lit it, absolutely no smoke. It's the coolest thing. I can't believe that something actually works exactly like people said it would work. Well, now I'm saying it's going to work, and it's going to go in that thing right over there. The big thing with the TP on it and stuff. Anyways, I had to get just a little bit of footage of this thing doing what it's doing, because it's pretty neat. Look at that. The flames are just going right up that chimney. No smoke. This is amazing. Oh, I guess it's smoking a little now. Oh well. I'm not used to everything going perfect anyways. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in to TC Time. We're gonna get back with you on this heater build. I finally got the one thing that I couldn't go buy or find. It took me probably 4 months to find this stupid pipe. Alright. What time is it? It's TC Time. Get notified, like and subscribe if you want to see more.